Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. And on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. Okay, so let's see what's there for Leos. What's on your side, Leos? What are the energies of your side, Leos? Messages on your side, Leos. So for your side, we have the Two of Swords. So trying to make a decision over here, trying to detach yourself from someone or from everyone, and just trying to figure out things, trying to have some clarity over the situation, trying to listen to your own voice, and just trying to make a decision over here. Let's see what's there on your person side, Leos. On your person side, we have the Four of Swords. So definitely, I really don't see both of you investing in each other. This person is also has also put things on hold, and this person is also focusing on themselves. So I really don't see you people are communicating with each other much. Let's see. Cards are just, I don't know what is happening. Many cards have flipped in this reading. So let's see what is the most likely outcome in this situation. The most likely outcome in this situation. The Tower. Okay, so something has happened unexpectedly. That's what I feel. We'll clarify what that is. But yes, something has happened unexpectedly in this relationship, because of which both of you have moved away from each other. You're not investing in this relationship, not talking to each other, and the other person, this person is trying to decide what to do, or the other person is just praying perhaps and focusing on themselves. And with the Tower, maybe some sort of clarity, something has happened unexpectedly over here. We'll see what that is all about. Okay, so let's see what is this Two of Swords about. Why is this Two of Swords here on Leo's side? The Magician has shown up. Let's see. Why is this Two of Swords here? So for the Two of Swords, we have the Queen of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the Devil. Okay. Let's see why is this Four of Swords here on your person's side. Why is this Four of Swords here on your person's side? So for the Four of Swords, we have the King of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. What is this Tower about as the most likely outcome? Why is this Tower here as the most likely outcome? So for the Tower, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. The Ten of Pentacles. So something has happened in a committed relationship over here. We have the Eight of Swords also. So what I feel here is, I'll put that inside the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is, Leos, that with the Queen of Wands being here and the King of Wands being there, there is a lot of passion in this relationship. It is intense. There is a lot of passion in this relationship, but something has happened. But the thing is, this person is trying to figure out, it's you, it can be them, but yes, somebody here is trying to figure out what to do. It's not easy for you to let go of this passion. Okay, there is a passionate relationship over here, but what I feel is something has happened unexpectedly, though you are trying to move on from this, but something has happened in this relationship that in the mutual outcome, I think there is a lot of passion in this relationship, and something has happened unexpectedly which you really want to let go. You want to leave it behind, but it's not easy for you to do that. That's what I feel. on your person's side, we have the Four of Swords, the King of Wands. For the Four of Swords, we have the King of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. So this person is waiting for a new beginning. So that's what I said. Somebody here is has put things on hold, yes, but this person is really praying. This person really wants a new beginning with you. With the Ace of Swords being that this person is waiting for you. This person is waiting for a response. This person is waiting for you to come, and definitely you are trying to let go of the situation, but I think you are not able to do that. It's taking time on your part. With the Tower being the most likely outcome, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. So what I feel is that at least at this point in time, this relationship had a lot of love. It was stable. Maybe both of you were in a, maybe both of you were even married. So there is a lot of feelings, a lot of stability in this relationship. But something has happened in this dynamics because of which it's at least for now it's causing a lot of stress in your life. There is something here which is making the other person upset. Both of you are upset and focusing on yourself. I really don't. Let me see. Let me have some additional messages over here. Anything else for this reading for Leos? Okay, we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Eight of Cups. So yes, there has been a fight, there has been an argument over here which has been a Tower moment, but yes, with the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands, what I feel is you want a new beginning in this direction. You are trying to sort it out, trying to balance it, ready to leave it behind, ready to leave the tension behind. That's what I feel. Since this relationship is committed, this relationship is maybe it has stood the test of time. I really don't see it as a small fling. I really don't feel that it is, at least that is what it was not planned to be, even if it has started recently, but I really don't see that it is a recent relationship. It is something which has its own roots, has its own bonds. It is something long term, and that is what the plan was. That is how you wanted it to be, but something has happened which is causing some stress or some sort of an argument. Maybe something unexpected has happened, maybe some heated argument has happened with the Five of Wands being there, but the passion is still there, the intensity of the passion is there. One person is waiting, the other person is trying to take some time. It's not easy for them to let go, but what I feel is, but there is a new beginning. Yes, things will get sorted out. That's what I feel. With the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands, yes, I think things will get sorted out, but it will take some time. Guidance from this deck. Ask for help. What you really need. Be willing to accept the support. Number 14 may be of some significance for you. So maybe if you need to take some sort of a guidance, some spiritual counselor, maybe your friend, your somebody senior in your family, you just need to accept help because something has happened definitely here which was not expected. So if you want, you can take some help, and maybe then you will get that clarity and the way and the guidance to move ahead. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.